So, are you familiar with the Korean consonants? Well, as you know, Hangul is made up of 24 basic letters, 14 consonants, and 10 vowels. It's time to learn vowel sounds. How to write and how to read. Super easy. 안녕하세요, 아루사입니다. Hi, this is Arusa. For this alphabet vowel sound, Korean people pronounce it this way, making short and simple sounds. A, E, I, O, U. 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 These are the 10 basic vowel characters. A, Ya, O, Yo, O, Yo, U, U, I. When the vowel stands on its own, it doesn't form a letter. By putting the initial consonant to the left, it can form a letter. In other words, every single letter is made up of the initial consonant and the vowel, or the initial consonant, the vowel, and the final consonant below them. Now, do you have a pen and a notebook with you? Oh, very good! Practice writing as pronouncing the vowel sound out loud. That way, you'll get to remember faster. Let's begin with A. Draw a vertical line, which my mother taught me as a stick, and put a stroke to the right. Great! Like I said earlier, we need to put the initial consonant to make it a letter. The 8th consonant is iung. It becomes A, but actually iung doesn't have a sound as the initial consonant, and it acts as a placeholder. When iung is placed as the final consonant, it has the sound of ng, So by putting iung below A, it becomes ang. Next vowel, Ya. Put a stick and 2 strokes. Ya. Ya. When I'm hurt, I say aya, which means ouch. Ya is used when you call someone to get their attention casually. But you never say this to strangers or elder people than you, as this expression would sound very disrespectful. You want a war? Then go ahead. Ha ha. A stroke and a stick. 2 strokes and a stick. 여, 어여, 어여, 아야, 어여. Next one. 하나, 둘, 오. 하나, 둘, 셋, 요, 오, 요. 하나, 둘, 우. 하나, 둘, 셋, 유, 우유. 우유 means milk. 으, 이. 이. 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 이. 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 이. 아이. 오이. Ooh, street food! Thanks for watching. If you liked the video and continue learning Korean with me, please hit the buttons. 구독, 좋아요, 감사합니다.